Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, as you saw by the title today down below, we are going to be doing a little vlog of my nephew's birthday party. We're not really doing a huge party today, it's just something really small, but it's still something so that way he can celebrate. But today's video, it's pretty much a whole run through of the whole day of what we're going to be doing, the whole process of everything. So stay tuned for it, I'm very excited. And also, let me know if you have any other video suggestions or anything like that. Let us know in the comment section below. But anyways, let's get started with today's vlog. Okay guys, so my sister is asleep right now and we're gonna go wake her up. So let's go. Let's see. Good morning. Oh my god. People are looking at you. Wake up!
It's fucking 7:17.
Okay, and you said you were going with Tatiana at 8.
Okay, I was gonna wake up at 7:40.
Well, now you're awake, so wakey wakey.
Son of a bitch.
Anyways, so
That's all you wanted to wake me up?
yeah. So basically what we're gonna be doing right now, well, not we're gonna be doing, but the people that are gonna bring, because since it's hot and whatever, my parents wanted to get my nephew a water slide moonwalk, so that's what they got. So they're gonna actually come and drop it off in a little bit. I just called the lady and she said she should be on her way in a little bit, which is right now 7:17. I woke up at 6:40ish. Also because it's a Saturday and we have cakes, so you're gonna be seeing the process of me decorating, I guess, my nephew's cake and like the decorating part and I guess the whole setup. So it's pretty exciting, and I guess the next clip you'll see is whenever they're setting up the little moonwalk. Alright guys, so I guess we are still waiting for the lady of the moonwalk or whatever. So it's already 8:07 and pretty much I gotta get started with all the work for today. We do have not that many cakes. Yesterday, which was Friday, because today's September 12th. Yesterday, Friday, September 11th, we had a lot of work. And we got all of those cakes done out of the way, and I guess today we're just getting the ones for Saturday and of course for Sunday. So we're gonna get those done, and then of course you're gonna see the process of my nephew's cake, where I'm gonna be doing the like little Mickey Mouse stuff, which I have some of the decorations here that we're gonna be putting on the cake. But anyways, I am just realizing, I was about to start on this one, but I am just realizing that this one is for Sunday, so I kind of don't want to get started on it yet. There is another one that I have to get started on, which is a, oh crap, which is a Call of Duty type of cake, so I guess you're going to be seeing the progress. Hola, Mato! Hey, you ready for your party?
Yeah.
Yeah! ¿Cuántos años cumple?
Say dos.
¿Eh? ¿Dos?
Yeah.
¿Mickey?
Yeah.
Mickey. Diles bye.
Bye.
Otra vez. Bye. Diles bye.
Bye.
Actually just got here and they're gonna start setting it up in a little bit. Let me just see if I can film or something for a little bit. Like beep. Right there. They're talking of where they're gonna put it. But we'll see. So they are currently setting everything up and I really don't even know how they're gonna do it because we didn't really think about like where it's gonna go or how it's gonna fit. So we're just hoping that it really does fit because I'm not really sure. And I also don't want to like film them because what if they like don't want to be filmed. So yeah, I think I'm gonna just wait until like pretty much the whole thing is done. Alright guys, so as y'all can see, they already set it all up. We turned it off just because we really don't need it to be on right now. But this is huge. This is huge. We didn't expect for it to be this big, but it's huge. Trust me. It may not look that big in camera, but it is huge. And then this is the little piñata, and I love it. And it's really nice and really pretty. Alright guys, so that was his actual cake. We just finished. I am gonna finish the rest of the cakes for today, which is just honestly one more. And then after that, we're gonna start decorating, I guess, his little like cake table or whatever. His little setup. It is barely, let me see. It is 10:12, so it's pretty early. And all we have to do right now, like I said, is just decorate, get things ready. It's not really like a huge thing that we're doing. It's just like blowing up balloons, getting a little like decoration set up. But you're gonna obviously see that whole setup. And I don't know, I'm still debating if whether I should do a little like happy birthday, you know, the little official party montage on this one, or if I should just do a separate video and upload it separately. I don't know yet. Let me know in the comment section below, but that's kind of dumb because by the time I upload this, you know, I'm gonna need to make a decision. I don't know, I'm gonna think about it and then we'll see. But if we do end up putting it on here, then stay till the end of the video so you can see the little party montage. If not, then I guess wait until whenever I upload it. So yeah. So we came to Family Dollar really quick just because, and yes, I'm recording on my phone, but we came to Family Dollar real quick because we wanted to get some extra decorations, and also because I kind of forgot to buy a gift. So I'm gonna buy my nephew, I don't know, some toys, something, I don't know what we'll find. So right now we're at Family Dollar. Then from here we're gonna probably go to another store depending if we can find what I'm looking for. So yeah, stay tuned and keep on watching. So we are back home, and this is some of the stuff that we got him, and we're about to put it all in the baggie. So we got him this toy. I really don't even know like if he's gonna be able to know how to use this. I hope he does. It says ages 4 and up. He's turning 2, so but it's okay. Then we got him like these little like doctor stuff, and then we got him like another little gun. These were really cheap, so that's why I was like, nah, it doesn't matter.
Too fast.
Shut up. We got him some boxing gloves because he loves to fight, so we got him some boxing gloves. Now that I'm thinking about it, we should have gotten 2 pairs. We got him some trucks because he likes trucks, so got him that. We got him another little car. Let me see, I'm gonna just start placing these on here. It's a lot of toys. And then lastly, we got him like a little pillow, but it's like a little lollipop. It's because we have one on my room that is like a cookie, and he always likes to get that one, so that's why we just got him this one. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So that was what, 6 toys? Now we're just gonna put a little tissue paper. Boom, boom. Hey, I actually need this tissue paper, so I better give it back. Just wait.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so we just came to this like ice cream place where my cousin brought me. Right there. Leslie, do you want to explain to them how we got here?
By stealing a car.
And I'm here with my sister and of course my cousin. And guys, so we kind of have a little story to tell y'all. Well, I don't know if my cousin's gonna want to tell y'all, but if she does, we're just gonna wait on our order. And oh my god, that looks bomb.
Oh my god.
Okay, we'll be right back. What we ordered, and I kind of like already got my finger through there, but Leslie, everyone started eating it.
Oh, I'm so sorry, guys.
And my sister, what did you get?
Funnel cake.
Funnel cake, fries, which is not your regular normal funnel cake, which you're weird because it's hot right now and you're eating like hot shit. But okay, you want to tell us your little story?
Me da vergüenza. Does your YouTube channel talk Spanish?
Yeah. Sí, claro que sí. So, she's probably not going to tell you the full story because there's some stuff that she can't tell you, of course. But do you want to tell him or do you want me to tell him?
You can go ahead and tell me.
She stole a car. That's it. That's all we're going to say. That's all we're going to, like, just expose on this video. If you want to hear the full story, then you can let us know. We can do an actual sit-down video with the, like, the whole mukbang thingy. And we'll tell you the whole story of when she stole a car. You down?
I'm down.
Alright, so right now all we're gonna do is just enjoy a little ice cream or whatever we're doing here. And yeah, so I guess we'll see you on to the next clip. Alright guys, and that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, share it around with your friends, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Also ring that little notification bell so that way YouTube notifies you when we upload a brand new video. And definitely stay tuned for this week because we're going to be uploading that little birthday montage. So it's going to be an epic video. I am really excited about it. Anyways, that was it for today's video. Thank you once again and we'll see you on to the next one. Peace.